Hello, good morning. My name is Juan Carmona. We are in Barcelona Mespack show, and we are glad to present our latest development for high-speed four-side seal vertical machine. So this machine is able to produce up to 150 cycles per minute, and mainly is for monodoses of liquid or powder. In this case, the machine are with liquid filling system equipment, and the machine is divided in 3 sections. First section is here, where we have the unwinding film reel, which is capable to have up to 2 reels with full automatic changeover. Then we pass through the unwinding. We have the printing section, where we are able to install laser printer or inkjet printer. And then we have the filling section, where we have the hopper. In this case, we have 3 different hoppers. And this section is where we form, seal, cut, fill, and seal again the sachets. Okay, the machine is very compact and with very high output. The machine is capable to produce with monomaterial film, very recyclable, and in this case is what one of our customers is using, filling olive and vinegar in the same sachet. We hope that we like you and hope to see you soon.